Joyce Ching. Say hello to everybody. At sa kabila pala ang iba, nagulat ako. Miss Yayo Aguila, Miss Francine Garcia. Ay, iba-iba ang kanilang entry point. Miss Helen Barrelejo. Nico Manalo is also here with us. And of course, Direk Alden Richards. Everybody, nabigla tayong lahat doon sa entry point. Okay, here's a microphone. Everyone kindly stand up and please center before we sit down. Kindly please stand up and please be here at the center. Batiin muna natin lahat ng kaibigan natin ngayong gabi. Mamaya pa daw ang talkback. So stand down muna tayo. And please greet everyone. Yes, Yaya, please go ahead.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. And thank you for taking time out na kung kayo excited, mas excited po kami kasi kabuuan nitong pelikulang ginawa ni Direk Alden Richards.
Hello everyone! Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Gusto ko lang din magpasalamat sa Heavenly Angels for coming and to my fans also for supporting. Sobrang galing po ng director na katabi po namin, by the way. And bibigay ko na po sa kanya, ang dami niya pong magandang gustong sabihin.
Ay, magsasalita ako? Oo, magsasalita ako dahil ako. Hello po, excited na po kami panoorin to kasi huli kami naging part nito nung sinushoot pa namin 2 years ago, no? Tapos si Direk Alden lang yung may alam ng lahat, kaya sabay-sabay tayo mag-enjoy tonight.
Hello po. Ay, sorry. Hindi, syempre, first and foremost, gusto kong magpasalamat kay Chart kasi para sa lahat ng mga LGBT, we are part of this film kasi hindi naman lahat ng serious films merong LGBT na kasali. So Chart, thank you very much for including us sa directorial debut mo. And kaya mga bakla, sabay-sabay natin panoorin October 2 out of order Netflix!
I love that energy. Mr. Soliman Cruz is here with us. May we invite you to be with us here in front. Thank you very much. Joyce, would you like to say a few words before we move on?
And sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat for being here. And I hope na ma-enjoy nyo yung film as much as we enjoyed doing it. So again, get the word out of order, October 2 on Netflix.
I'm just so excited for you guys to see the film that we've worked with. A little bit of explanation lang, pwede naman po mag-explain, Your Honor. It has been 2 years because we decided, the whole team, Viva and Miria, decided that we should take the festival route first for the film to gain recognition and to give the film more premium. So we premiered in Da Nang, Vietnam po, first quarter of the year. And then by November, in competition po ang Out of Order sa Jagran Film Festival sa Mumbai, India. So pupunta rin po tayo doon. And gusto ko po magpasalamat sa lahat po na nandito ngayon, especially sa lahat po nang inimbita namin ng last minute but you said yes. Thank you po. Thank you po for supporting me. Ms. Joy, thank you for this. And sa mga kaibigan po natin sa press, and of course po ang mga co-actors ko sa industriya. Of course, the whole cast, on behalf of the whole cast and the staff and crew of Out of Order, we thank you for your presence today. And this is a very relevant film nowadays. Who would have thought that it would be socially relevant with everything that has been happening in our society as we speak, as I speak now. But with this film, sana pong maging takeaway niyong lahat is the truth is never overrated and the truth will always prevail for as long as there are people who keeps on fighting for the truth. So maraming salamat po. Please enjoy the film. And again, Netflix po. Papalabas na po ang Out of Order, October 2. Thank you so much, guys.
And this time, let me grab the microphone, Direk Alden, Miss Francine, and let's take your photos. Group photo mo muna tayo. And then after this one, after this one, in 3, 2, 1, one more. 3, 2, 1. Ngayon naman po to our cast and director. Talikod po tayo para kasama silang lahat sa photo op. Right, everybody, hands up. You can do a big heart, small heart, a finger heart, half heart. Lahat po ng heart pwede natin gamitin. Okay, everyone. Kita po hanggang nasa labas, kaya pwede po kayong umiti. Okay, naka-wide po ang ating camera. So smile everybody. Once again, spread the word ang napapanahong pelikula ngayon na mapapanood na natin on October 2 only on Netflix, Out of Order. Thank you very much. There you have it. One more photo. 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much. And to our cast and director, kindly take your task. Be careful going up. Once again, congratulations, everyone. I know everyone is very excited to watch the film, but here is the OMB warning before we proceed. The critical and commercial success of recent local movies clearly indicates that Filipino moviegoers embrace not only high-budget movies, but also independent films with unique stories to be told. However, in order for such films to contain intellectual property and all attached rights of the filmmakers have to be respected. This is a reminder to the public that making any copies of the movie out of order is a violation of Republic Act number 10088. Addition and sharing of illegal and unauthorized links to the full movie constitute acts violating Republic Act number 8293 Intellectual Property Code and is likewise punishable by imposition of fines and imprisonment. The producers of Out of Order shall exercise all its rights and available remedies to impose civil and criminal liabilities against any pirates. The producers shall ensure that they be punished to the full extent of the law. The cooperation of the public is sought to report any unauthorized and illegal links to legal@viva.com.ph. We would like to invite again everyone to please show your support to Out of Order by sharing. Right, everybody, hands up. You can do a big heart, small heart, a finger heart, half heart. Lahat po ng heart pwede natin gamitin. Okay, everyone. Kita po hanggang nasa labas, kaya pwede po kayong umiti. Okay, naka-wide po ang ating camera. So smile everybody. Once again, spread the word ang napapanahong pelikula ngayon na mapapanood na natin on October 2 only on Netflix, Out of Order. Thank you very much. There you have it. One more photo. 3, 2, 1.